As promised, friends, here we are going to make a little lemon crate for our little lemon coasters. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I have this cute little mini crate from Dollar Tree, and I have some antiquing wax, and I'm going to paint all of it. I do the inside first, make sure to get all the cracks and crevices, and then I wipe off the excess. I do the same thing with the outside. I just paint. I make sure, again, to get into those little grooves. I didn't go crazy with the handles, but I did make sure that I got in those grooves just because I think it's going to give an even better like vintagey kind of effect. But see how I paint it on, and then we're going to just wipe off the excess. Could I have done this a different way? Yes. Am I mad that I did it this way? No. You'll see here I do the sides as well. Again, I'm not doing a huge amount on the tops or in the handle, just because the cloth that I'm using is really full of all of this wax, so it actually will help. I can just use the excess that's on the cloth to do the sides and all of that. And then we do the bottom. Then once that's dry, I take a foam brush and some white chalk paint, and all I'm doing is kind of feathering it on the edges. Now you'll see here, I tried it on the bottom first. That's a little tip for you. Anytime I'm unsure of a technique and I'm not sure if it's going to look right, I always do it on the bottom just to see. And that way we don't commit. We don't commit fully until we know. But anyway, so you'll see here I'm doing it on the edges, and I'm doing, wherever. If this isn't your cup of tea, don't do it, right? If you don't like the distress vibe, don't do it. It's okay. But I love it, as you know. So, of course, I'm going to do it. And no, I didn't go crazy pants, which I know is a little bit strange, right? But there's that. So then I have this cute little sign thing from Dollar Tree. And don't do what I did. See, I was like, I'll just cut off the stick and I'll just glue it on that way. Well, duh, it's got a little see, that stick is still there and it doesn't glue onto your little crate well. So I did just peel it off, and the back did peel up a little bit, but that's okay. That won't hurt it. It'll be fine. So anyways, excuse me. All right, so then I have my Posca markers, and my bright idea was to just write lemons and 5 cents. But the Posca marker is a little too thick. So then I decided, you know what, we're going to go all in on this thickness. And I just went over all of the letters I did, and I did it really, really thick. I know it sounds crazy, but trust the process, okay? So we went really thick over all of our letters. So now it's like a big jumbled mess, right? But wait, we let it dry, and then I take a Sharpie and I go over and I just write lemon on the inside of the lemon, and then 5 cents. So I'm just going on the inside. So now it looks like we have a cool edging instead of a jumble mess of paint, right? I don't know. I thought that was pretty. I was pretty full myself when I did that. Look how cute it is. All right, maybe you guys don't think it's that cute, but I was very happy with it. I put a little dot of hot glue on the back and glued it onto our little crate, and there it is. Look at, and then we're going to add our cute little coasters we made the other day, and look at how cute. I mean, could we have embellished this more? Sure, but you know what? I'm not mad. I think it looks really cute. And it was easy, and it was cheap, and whatever. It made me smile, and I hope it makes you smile too. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.